Never was. It's a cohesive unit, a fantastic middle order, and then to cap it all, a brilliant bowling side. That's what Patidar said. When he was asked, what do you want? He said, I want a brilliant bowling side, and that's the bowling side. And here is the RCB side. Oh!
This team deserves all the applause.
Whoa!
Deserve all the moments. They are champions. They are champions. They are champions.
Cheers, bro. Cheers. बेटा जीते रहो, खुश रहो, बहुत लंबा जाओगे बेटा। मैं तुम्हें बता रहा हूँ, तुम्हारी जो एक्सेप्टेंस थी ना विराट के लिए, तुम्हारा जो पैशन है बेटा, ऐसा आशीर्वाद है ना इस योगी का, बच्चे तुम बहुत आगे बढ़ेंगे। जीते रहो, खुश रहो, आबाद रहो।
See you tomorrow.
मेरे जैसे पतिदार एक ही बहुत है। लव यू बेटा, लव यू। आगे गुरु, बगैर बादल। You are pivotal in whatever they've done. I'm telling you, the root. Nobody sees the root, but there cannot be any fruit without the root. You are the root.
DK, you know what? You gotta excuse me as a broadcaster here to get involved, but I mean, my husband played for RCB. He played a final. He lost that final. It's emotional. I'm a part of this, you know. You can't help it. I'm a Bengaluru girl to some extent. I'm a RCB girl.
He came
You've got
to
to
you.
give me this to let me enjoy that moment.
He came to you.
I apologize to the broadcaster.
He came to you and he said, touch it.
He let me touch the
You see,
trophy.
that's what I call is a smart person. And that's what I call is a humble man. Well, he could have easily walked away. But he gave you that opportunity to touch it. And that will be etched in your memory forever, Mayanti. You know, and it'll be matched in, you know, so many people who've seen that today will know how humble the man is. People misconstrue. All that that's why I stand with him throughout, thick and thin. I've always supported him. Why? मैं उसको कितनी बार मिला हूँ, आज दूसरी बार मिला हूँ. It's because the kind of joy that he's given to the world with his cricket, the way he plays, his attitude, the distance from earth to heaven, not a matter of altitude, it's a matter of attitude.
You know what, Sharifa, if we take, it's not possible really, but let's just take the emotion out of it and let's focus on Virat Kohli purely as a batter. To have 8 seasons where you scored more than 500 runs, it's been another 600-run season. There's been 850, 657 runs. He has played between anchor and aggressor. He has let go of this format internationally. And yet he's come into situations time and time again and managed to take his game to another levels. What does it take in a player to be able to continuously do that and deliver?
When you defend your name fiercely, you're a lion. You don't do things in half-baked measures. When you go, you go. When you're not in the swing of things, you will never hear of Virat Kohli, I'm telling you. But when you play with full commitment. I mean, sher jo karta hai na, is written in the Vedas. वो पूरी ताकत लगा के करता है. That is what Virat Kohli is. 120 balls of commitment in this format. If he's sitting in the dressing room, you see him cheer. You see him get up, shout. When he's there in the field, he'll pick up a fight. He'll go straight to someone, oh, you do this. And when he gets hit for a 6, he'll show his anger. And when he runs that single, it's not that he's running for himself. He runs the 2 for the other fellow with more exuberance, Mayanti. That's kind of commitment that you want in someone. That's what makes Virat Kohli the icon, the Himalaya of Indian cricket. And that's why I rate him the greatest cricketer that India has ever produced.
And that duo over there, that little partnership, he of course, AB de Villiers, Phil Salt this season, the 3 of them, the emotions that they've attached to this club, even the families, I mean, the team is here with their families. You can understand how expressive. AB still got tears in his eyes. That's incredible. The universe boss. The 3 of them reunited. They fought that final together 9 years ago. It wasn't meant to be. It was meant to be in the 18th season. East Salah Cup Namdu. We'll take a breather and hear more from Sharipar about how this moment in history has been created.